Up to now, we've been working with quadratics written in standard form. Standard form looks like ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. You already know how to identify a, b, and c. Standard form is the way the equation is written. Some quadratics factor nicely, but many do not. This is also the quadratic formula. It is written as x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. This formula takes a quadratic in standard form and directly gives us the x values. These x values are where the parabola crosses the x-axis. This formula works for every quadratic. Let's take a look at example 1. We see a standard form equation. Step 1. Identify a, b, and c from standard form. Step 2. Plug these values into the quadratic formula. We replace b, a, and c with their numbers. Now we simplify. 4 squared is 16. 4 times 1 times 3 is 12. 16 minus 12 equals 4. The square root of 4 is 2. The plus or minus means we get two answers, one using plus, one using minus. The solutions are x equals negative 1 and x equals negative 3. These are the x-intercepts of the parabola. Now let's look at another example, or feel free to try on your own. We follow the exact same steps. Step 1. Identify a, b, and c. Careful with negatives. Negative b becomes positive 5. Negative 5 squared is 25. Subtracting a negative turns into adding. The square root of 49 is 7. With plus, x equals 3. With minus, x equals negative 1/2.